The sum to infinity of a geometric series is 6 times the first term. Find the common ratio. So the first sentence is saying that the sum to infinity is 6 times the first term. So you'd have to get the first term, which is a, multiply it by 6, and that would get you the sum to infinity. What is the sum to infinity? It's a over 1 minus r. And then we've got 6a. You can divide both sides by a, and that would get rid of the a, and you end up with 1 over 1 minus r equals 6. You can cross multiply and you get 1 equals 6 minus 6r. 6r equals 5, so r equals 5/6. That's the common ratio, and that's what you're asked to find out.